Good morning, guys. Hope all is well. Today was meant to be a hiking day, but unfortunately the weather doesn't look good at all. The place where I was meant to hike meant to be raining pretty much the whole day and about 0 degrees, which would have been cool, but I don't really want to get sick at the moment, and I've still got tomorrow to do that, and I probably will film a video from tomorrow. But today, by the looks of it, I woke up a bit late, but I'm gonna head for a run, doing my rehab on my knee, so I'm just starting running, and then probably work on doing some editing for the final couple of videos from on the way back from Borneo. And then I think in the evening I've got a film premiere thing, like a climbing film to go and watch, so that should be pretty good, and I'll bring you along for the ride. But yeah, starting off with a run. It's not the craziest of running, it's just like 30 seconds of running, minute 30 of walking for about 20 minutes, or I could go a minute of running, a minute of walking for 10 minutes and then progress, but we'll see how it goes. So it's time for my run. As you can probably see, it is quite wet. It's drizzling at the moment, but that's all right. I'm just going for probably 10-20 minutes. My word, is this hard. I mean, this is only my third run back, but it's nice and cold. It's a bit damp, as you can see. Good weather for running, but my word, I'm not used to this cold. Just running in this cold anymore. I used to with football, but nah, this is crazy. Loving this weather. It is tough, man, my word. So I'm back from my run. It was very cold. By the end I was pretty soaked, but ended up being pretty good. Probably my fastest run yet. I mean, it's only my third run back after surgery. Overall, yeah, it felt really good. To do the weekly shop and see what we can get for the week. Just a normal shop for some groceries, and then yeah, hopefully we can, it just fills in some time pretty much, because it's just so wet and miserable today. Okay, time to head home, unpack all the groceries, and then get started on the editing / uploading of the video. So it's obviously a bit later now. Did some editing, and now I'm heading to Fishwick to Blockhouse to watch a short film premiere, which should be pretty good. There's some free food, hopefully. So yeah, let's head there. Okay, so we've made it to Blockhouse. I might just film some bits of b-roll while I'm in there, because obviously it's going to be pretty hard to talk, but yeah, it should be a pretty good night, hopefully. I can win a prize or something. That's why I go to these things. Love watching adventure films, but also love trying to win a prize, and the free food's always good. So yeah, it should be a very good night, and I'll see you probably after the movie. Okay, what an awesome night that was. Didn't film too much, but once again, awesome night. I'll show you my haul of Red Bull when I get home, because it was a lot of it. And yeah, it was once again absolute great night, and I'll catch you when I get home. Okay, my word, what a busy day. I'm absolutely shattered, and I woke up late because it was just non-stop. I think the longest time I got to rest was probably before going to watch the movie. But yeah, one crazy day, and hopefully tomorrow I get to film another, which should be overall a bit more interesting, just because the weather window is looking a bit better for going on the hike that I want to go on. It's either to Legoland or to Barumba Rocks. So yeah, tomorrow the next video it should be pretty good, even though this one I think could turn out pretty well. It was quite interesting, just the different things that I was able to do in a day. It was probably one of my busiest days that I've had in recent times. But yeah, the film was absolutely incredible. I'll put a link to, I think there should be a trailer out for it. But yeah, I'll put that in the description down below, and you can check that out, because it was an absolutely incredible film. It's a rock climbing film by an Australian, and it was pretty awesome. And the other good part was I got 2 gyros and a drink, and then at the end I just picked up 5 Red Bulls, because it was a Red Bull sponsored event. So those will come in handy whenever I go for a run or an adventure. I might even have one tomorrow. But yeah, overall, absolutely fantastic day. Definitely want to film more of these, just because I don't have to, there was effort put in, but my word, was it a lot of fun, just finding something to do, and not pushing myself to do more things like this, and trying filming it and getting more comfortable in public. I still need to get more comfortable filming in public, especially talking to the camera in public. But yeah, today was awesome, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Adios.